They were married young, in a small village where love was rarely spoken out loud. Life tested them, broke them, but didn't break their bond. This is not a perfect love story. It's a real one. In our village, love is not shown. It's understood. We don't say, "I love you." We show it by bringing water from the well, by mending each other's torn slippers, by saving the last roti without asking. My name is Gopal. I'm a farmer in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. And this is the story of me and my wife, Laajjo. We got married when I was 23, and she was 19. I didn't know much about her, except that she made good tea and kept her eyes low. We didn't talk much the first few months. Just the usual, "Have you eaten? Do you need something?" But slowly, we built a rhythm. She would wake up before dawn, sweep the courtyard, make hot rotis, and wait till I returned from the fields, no matter how late. I would bring her her favorite guavas from the market, and make sure the lantern in our room always had oil. We never said much. But we cared, quietly. Then came the drought. The rains didn't come that year. Crops failed. Debts piled up. I worked twice as hard, trying to save the little that was left. I stopped talking. I would sit quietly on the charpai, lost in shame and helplessness. And Laajjo? She never complained. Not once. She sold her gold bangles, the ones from our wedding, to pay the moneylender. She stitched clothes at night to buy seeds for the next season. I felt useless, broken, angry. And one evening, in frustration, I yelled at her. "I am trying my best. What else do you want from me?" She didn't say a word. Just placed a glass of water in front of me and walked away. That night, I couldn't sleep. I looked at her, sleeping on the floor, tired, yet peaceful. I realized I had taken her strength for granted. The next morning, before she woke up, I went to the temple. I prayed. Not for rain, but for courage. To face life. To be the husband she deserved. Months passed. Slowly, things changed. I started doing small side work, fixing tools, selling vegetables. Laajjo joined the women's self-help group. She started making pickles and selling them in the nearby town. Together, we rebuilt what was lost. One day, she came home smiling wide. The block officer said they want to help women like me set up a small business. Can I do it? I looked at her, eyes shining like never before, and nodded. Today, she runs a small pickles and snacks unit. 5 women work with her. I've leased a new piece of land. We still have fights, about expenses, about my snoring, but we also sit together every evening, sip tea, and laugh. People in the village now say, they're different, but they really understand each other. They don't know everything we have been through. And they don't need to. Because real love is not loud. It's quiet. It's built in the silence after an argument, in holding hands during loss, in staying, when leaving would have been easier. Always remember, not every love story is written in letters. Some are built in long silences, shared struggles, and 1,000 small acts of staying. Never forget, all relationships go through storms, but only the real ones survive the flood. If this story touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Flourish with English, where we don't just learn English, we grow through stories. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another interesting story.